Okay, today we're going to work on drawing one-point perspective. To get started, we're going to draw a horizon. This is where Earth and sky meet. We're going to put our vanishing point right here. I'm going to go in and draw my road. Okay. Now, to determine the height of my buildings, I'm going to draw a line going up on both sides. This will determine the height of my buildings. Go on this side as well. Okay, now I can no longer see my horizon. It's still there, I just can't see it. So we're going to erase this line. Okay, now I'm going to take my ruler. I'm going to define my buildings. So go up and down. Whenever you're doing spacing, you want to do it horizontal. Excuse me, vertical. Okay, so I'm going to go right here and draw my lines. This determines where my buildings are going to be placed. Go over here and draw some more. Where objects get closer, they get larger. Okay, so let's say I want to add, say this is a sidewalk. There's buildings on either side. This is a road. We'll go with the road. So if I want to go in here and divide my space, once again, objects get further away, they get smaller, they get closer, they get larger. Okay, so let's have a separation of my buildings. So I'm going to separate this building from this building. We're going to erase these lines right here. This becomes a space here. Now I can see the side of my building, so I'm going to turn my ruler and go straight back. Okay, so this could be a road, or this could be a parking lot. Now I'm going to determine how far back my building goes. We're going to stop it right here. I'm going to go in and erase right there. Okay, so these buildings are going to be connected. We're going to leave it like that. But I'm going to go over here and I'm going to separate these two. So I'm going to put another parallel line next to it. Separate my building. Now I'm going to go in and erase. Okay, so I'm going to turn my ruler and go straight back. Straight back. Okay. Now I'm going to determine how far back that building is. Let's start right there. Okay. Now let's add some windows and doors. So I'm going to use my perspective, my vanishing point. Okay, and I'm going to turn it, line it up. Okay, I'm going to have a window right here. There's the top of my window. And there is the bottom of my window. Okay, now I want to bring it in a little bit, go straight up and down, here, straight up and down. I no longer need these lines, erase these. Okay. So let's add a door. Once again, I go back to my vanishing point. Okay, bring my door down just a little bit, not quite so high. There we go. To the top of my door, use that line and move it straight over. Make sure my ruler is straight. There's my door. Now if I want to divide it, say it's a double door, there we go. That's all I'm going to see from this angle. Say I want to put a flower box right here. Use my vanishing point. That right there. Bring my box down. And there is a flower box. Let's see that little corner there. I go in and fill in with plants. So let's say I go over on this side and I'm going to draw another door. Okay. And then I could add, on this side, I could add some bricks. So I'm going to go through and kind of measure so my bricks are even. I'm going to go back in and offset them. Okay, so there's some bricks. I'm going to add more windows and doors. So top of my windows, and it go right there, and then it's gonna come down right here, and then divide it. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of lines I no longer need. And this is the basic on how to draw one-part perspective. And there's tons of ideas you can go back and add, lots of detail. This is just the foundation of how to draw using one-point perspective, looking straight.